Are you applying for a mortgage, car loan, or business funding soon? Here's what you need to do right now to avoid getting denied later. Start by pulling all three credit reports, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and pull them from annualcreditreport.com. You're looking for anything that is incorrect. Duplicate accounts, outdated balances, old collections that are too old to be reporting, late payments that shouldn't be there, or even missing information in the data fields that you see on that annual credit report. Don't assume that you have time. Disputes aren't quick. Bureaus will use stall tactics, ignore disputes, request more proof, or verify with no real information, and sometimes they ask you to prove your own identity. Even when done right, it can take longer than 60 or 90 days to fix something. Now, you can see improvement within that time frame, but don't be expecting to clean your entire credit up within a very short amount of time. So the sooner you check, the more time you have to fix things. Next, pay down your credit cards, but do it strategically. Credit utilization is your balance versus your credit limit. It's a lot easier to pay down credit cards that have a low credit limit but a high balance before it is to pay those really high limit credit cards. Ideally, you want to pay your credit card balances off all the way, but it's best to get under 20% and ideally under 10%. This way, when it's looking at the calculation of each card individually, you're getting a score boost. There is another calculation for your overall credit card balances versus your credit limits as well, but starting with one card at a time is the best approach, rather than paying a little bit on every single card all at once. So as you're getting ready to apply for that new loan, don't apply for new credit, don't finance furniture, don't switch jobs if you're about to apply for a mortgage, unless that job is in the same field and you have an offer letter available for your lender. If you're getting ready to apply for lending, start gathering your documents. Get pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns. Especially if you're self-employed or using non-traditional income, you do want to make sure your taxes are filed. You don't want a last-minute scramble delaying or blowing up your approval. Denials don't just happen because of bad credit. They can happen from not being prepared or understanding the lending process. So save this video if you want to be prepared for the next loan that you apply for.